In this video, I'm doing a set of nails inspired by this set of nails from stilettos_nail bar on Instagram. To start off, I have BU stiletto tips applied and a thin layer of clear acrylic. I'm using the number 12 oval alpha brush and my discount code is FEMI10 for 10% off. All of the acrylics that I'm using in this video have been customized. I can give you guys a couple of ideas of the products that I mixed up. SuperNail Flirty Bikini 239050, and I got this from Sally's, and it's just a super hot pink acrylic powder. And the reason I didn't use this by itself is because it's extremely marbly, because it's a cheaper product, so it's not smooth and pigmented and consistent all throughout. So I didn't really want her to have marble effect on her nails, so I ended up mixing this, my Banggood powder, and that smoothed it out very, very well. So that's how I achieved this hot pink. The Banggood powder that I mixed it with was also kind of like a hot pink color, but it was a little bit less saturated. So once I mixed them together, it just gave me a really vibrant and smooth color. So hopefully you guys can find a way to achieve this color or find something similar to it. As for the nude is a mix of my 3 favorite nude acrylic cover powders. It's Tammy Taylor Pinkest Pink, Tammy Taylor's True Pink, and Eternal Beige by Enail Couture, and I think there's a little bit of DivaDC Cover Peach in as well. And I mixed them all together like that because I was running low on all of them and I needed a lot of nude powder to make this set, so I just mixed them all together and it gave me a really nice smooth nude color that I really enjoyed. So this is where I messed up a little bit. Some of the nails are matte and I did not notice that until after my stone application. So if you're recreating this design, I suggest you put down your matte top coat and then put your stones on top. Putting a matte top coat around the stones is like very dangerous because it can get on your stones and make them dull. It's not the end of the world, but doing that can make your stones dull, and then I had to go back in and like put shiny top coat gel on the stones so they wouldn't look dull. But regardless, I'm using Zulays BLING Adhesive and my wax stick to place on a bunch of different stones. I have some hot pink SS20s, I have some AB, SS20, SS10, SS5, and some random sized pearls, flat back pearls. So after this step, I'm going to be top coating with IBD Intense Seal around the stones and doing my little matte top coat correction and whatnot. I used Presto Matte Top Coat Gel. I am so sorry that my voice sounds like this. I'm not even really sick. I don't feel sick. I'm just coming down with something and it's taking a long time to kind of like go away. I don't really believe in taking medicine all like that, so I'm trying to just let my body like work through it. It just makes me sound so sickly and like just weird. So here's where I was like, oh, I put shiny top coat, I need to wipe it off. And then I thought about it and I was just like, nah, I'm gonna let that top coat cure. That way I have something that's like holding all the stones together, and then I'll go back on top with matte and then back again with the glossy to clean up my stones and whatnot. So don't be like me, put your matte down first and then the stones. So this is the finished result. I absolutely adore this set. I wish these were my nails. I effing love these. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a comment, give me a like. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Go follow me on Instagram at femi.beauty. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope you guys are having a great day. I love being able to like interact with you guys in the comments. You guys are amazing, I swear. Like I feel like my viewers, my subscribers are some of the nicest people in the nail community. Like you guys show me so much love, so much support. It's overwhelming sometimes, and I just want to thank you guys for making YouTube my happy place, my safe space. You guys don't even know, like I can be having a horrible day and I just do my voiceover, edit my video, and I already feel 10 times better because I feel like I'm actually talking and interacting with my friends, you know? I can't believe we're already at 26K. I have to thank you guys so much. I never in a million years thought this many people would give a crap about what I do. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!